Dear finance professionals and students, welcome to podcast of Fca Deepak Rao, a practicing chartered accountant. Daily news and updates for 25th October 2025. The Securities and Exchange Board of India has issued a directive. Mutual funds can no longer invest in pre-IPO share placements. They are now restricted to participating only in the anchor investor portion or the public issue of an initial public offering. This clarification aims to prevent mutual funds from holding unlisted shares. India's third-party logistics sector is undergoing transformative growth driven by booming e-commerce, infrastructure upgrades, and evolving supply chain needs. The market is estimated at around $36 billion in 2025, with projections ranging between $48 billion and $73 billion by 2030, growing annually at a 6 to 4% CAGR. US tech giant Google has secured a significant office space of 617,000 square feet in Gurugram. This major deal at Atrium Place highlights Google's expanding presence in India. The company is committed to growing its operations and office footprint. This move follows previous leasing activities by Google in the region. The deal follows a 550,000 square feet lease by Google from managed workspace provider Tablespace at a commercial complex in Gurugram. Reliance Industries and Facebook's Indian arm have formed a joint venture, Reliance Enterprise Intelligence Limited, to develop and distribute enterprise AI services. The new entity, with an initial investment of Rs 855 crore, will see Reliance Intelligence hold a 70% stake and Facebook Overseas Inc. hold 30%. Pushing ahead with efforts to create homegrown big audit firms, ICAI plans to amend its code of ethics to provide more leeway for chartered accountants in terms of issuing advertisements and maintaining their own websites, among other activities. The Institute of Chartered Accountants of India will release the exposure draft on the many changes proposed to the Code of Ethics, its President Charanjot Singh Nanda said at a briefing here on Friday. India's real estate sector is witnessing a phase of accelerated institutionalization as investors, developers, and funds increase participation across platforms, assets, and capital market instruments, culminating in a record performance in September quarter with the highest ever quarterly deal volume and value. The July to September quarter was a landmark period for India's real estate industry, marking the highest level of institutional investment ever recorded. Investors flocked from various sectors, engaging in a total of 42 transactions that collectively reached $2.9 billion.
This podcast is sponsored by Sound of CA. We share because we care. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.